5:40 a.m. and my neighbors are about to hate me. Alright, that's not bad. Hey everyone, and welcome to the new channel. I decided to start this channel as kind of a personal diary, just to have my progression documented somewhere as I get better and faster in track. If you like content like this, please help a 0 subscriber channel out and subscribe. Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
Good. Nice car.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, so just did a 2-hour drive. Bit tired.
Alright, let's get going. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, that was weak. Good morning. Good morning. Who here has not done this track before?
It's time to send it.
Is paying 2x for a torque wrench worth it? Let's see. It's time for the catch can install. Alright, so here's the finished product. Catch can. Normally during my track days, I normally take like the first 2-3 days to get up to speed. But today I beat my PB in my first session and I left earlier than I needed to. Like I didn't need to stay the entire 30 minutes. I think the seats are more than worth it. The seats make me feel a lot more connected to the car. I can feel when the car starts to slide a lot better. Best lap, 202.3. Optimal 202.09, so basically I can go faster. Hopefully in an hour we can get in the 201s. The 201 would be incredible, you know, I would have never dreamed of getting 201s. I think ultimately my goal in Thunder Hill is sub 2, but you know, gotta work my way towards there.
Alright, old fantastic group, you just came off track. Let's get inside the clubhouse or head for my roll out. Old fantastic group, inside.
That was so much fun. First session. I want to start experimenting, you know. I've already seen that I can handle the car slip a bit. Once again, traction control is probably saving my ass a lot, but yeah, let's go. So I think I just collected some damage. Broken windshield. RIP. I think I'm camber limited in the rear because the fronts are not using all of this. So you're gonna see the Nankang logo over here. You can kind of still make out the name, but on the back it's basically gone. We're basically scraped up all of that, and we're using all of this. So a good method to tell how much tire you're using is to use chalk, and I chalked over here, and right here you see the chalk is starting to go, so that basically means that between here and here the tire is being used. Alright, time to go get gas. My life almost flashed from my eyes. I felt like I almost broke into that McLaren. Alright, time to chase. Yo, I'm full throttle and it's pulling on me hard, man. 200 extra horsepower, look at that, what the fuck? Alright, missed that apex. missed that Apex 2. About to miss this one. Negative 2.08. I'm in the fucking twos. Oh shit. Almost died there. Alright, McLaren is gone, but you know, we got a 2. So thank you, McLaren, for the motivation.
Good. It's felt great out. Temperatures are nice.
What part do you
good.
drive?
Not too many offs. It's not too dirty. Huh?
So what part do you drive?
I drive that red S2000 over there. Turn 3 is going to be interesting. Play with the grip there because it's going to be off camber.
Yeah.
This car seems really stable. I want to see if we can get a play with breaking a hair later on entry to this.
Okay.
You know, what I'm talking about for this now is start a little pointing this way and then turn it left and like you have to compress the left side suspension before you go over the.
So you want to turn right before the crest?
Yeah, because think about if you're on the crest, there's no weight on the front wheels. How are you going to do any turning?
Yeah. So, what's the best feeling in the world? Well, some examples include clean sheets or maybe going to bed without an alarm. But if you made it this far into this video, you can already guess where this is going. For me in this moment, it's being able to play and dance with the limit of grip while having fun. basically playing tag like a kid. So I just finished the track day. Actually, I left one session early. This was by far the most fun track day I've ever had. I was basically lapping as fast as I was consistently my fastest time last time, and I beat my fastest time by at least 3 seconds. Some of it due to tires, some of it due to the seat, not much due to the brakes. I think obviously some of it due to me as well, just more confidence, more practice, just it's better all around.